last time we talked about grocery shopping, what to get at the store, and we showed you what we got at the store. And now it's time for the fun part.
Put it all in work and prep for the week. So time to prepare all the different meals for the week that goes deep in the stomach and gets you ready and happy and on the next fitness level. Wellness journey for FOREO is coming at you.
We gotta feel those muscles.
You ready? Where are we gonna start off with?
Let's start off with the chicken.
The meat. So for the chicken, we're gonna keep it very, very simple. Some salt, some pepper, some all-around purpose seasoning, and some paprika to make it a little bit spicy with a kick. Mix it all up and grill.
Nothing's coming out.
If you want to do this a different way, this is what we prefer, but you can also cook it in the grill or you can bake it.
Yeah.
Just easy breezy. Seasoning the same.
Stand by the water's edge. I'll touch the surface and I'll feel you and we can live. So don't say no.
Now we're gonna prepare the angel hair spaghetti, so we're just gonna get some water to boil. Now this is gonna be the ground turkey that we're gonna use for the pasta. So this one is just gonna be very simple and plain to go over the pasta. So this is gonna be an added on dish where that one is gonna be more of a standalone. Just to change up the variety, you can do whatever you feel you wanna add to it. Sometimes I add some tomato sauce, make sure it's low sodium. The more you add, the more calories it adds to it and the more sodium. So you just gotta be careful with what you're adding to it. Like I like to add sometimes if I do a Southwest and it's like some onions, some tomatoes, some corn, garbanzo beans is good too. Just mix it up.
Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now. After staring holes in all my walls, don't you cut me off like you did that time. Once was already enough, I'd say, but I wonder if you hear me. Can you hear
finished cooking, prepping everything for the week. Let's just go through the meals that we're gonna be having every day. We have the overnight oats. We have some steel cut oats, some almond milk unsweetened, and we have some blueberries. Over here we have the salad that we made. We got some tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and spinach. And then we got a slice of grilled chicken on top. Go to the next meal, we have some angel hair pasta and we have the ground turkey. Go to the next one, we got the Southwest mix, so we got the black beans, bell peppers, jalapenos.
Ground turkey.
Yeah, ground turkey, get that protein in. Next one, we got the baked potato, broccoli, and the chicken.
And finally, we got the salmon, the asparagus, and the potatoes. So there you go, you can mix and match, have about 3 a day, plus your snacks in between. Should be great and sufficient enough for an average person. And then if you're trying to bulk up, like you can have all this in one day.
And again, guys, you gotta cook what's accessible to you, and you gotta cook things that you're gonna stay consistent with. You don't have to go over the top of things. Try to keep things simple so you just stick to it.
And mix it up. Mix up the seasoning and mix it up every day. So
yeah, don't be scared of it. As long as you don't put too much sodium into it.
Just have fun with it. Thanks for joining.